Let us take a scenario of a conventional foundry. Meet Mr. X, our founder man. Mr. X is young and dynamic and wants to take his foundry to a new heights, but he can't seem to find time for new developments from daily problems. Every day, he faces issues like controlling dead inventory, planning, getting accurate reports, piling of excess stock, controlling rejection, and many more. Mr. X is tired and frustrated with this situation. Mr. X knows that he needs an accurate ERP solution which can not just capture data but can also produce intelligent reports to eliminate these problems. Mr. X tries to implement many ERP solutions, but each of them fails one by one. He finds out that all the softwares which failed are generic ERPs and none of them are exclusively developed for foundries. Apparently, software guys fail to understand the criticalities of founder processes and eventually develop the application that does not fit in. So Mr. X decides to get the software application developed by himself. To develop an excellent ERP for founder industry, he shakes hands with other foundermen, founder professionals, and best IT guys. After lots of hard work and team efforts, they come up with the masterpiece called iCast. Presenting iCast, the only ERP developed for foundermen by foundermen. Now using iCast, Mr. X is able to generate business reports like rejection analysis, items profitability report, business analysis, and find growth percentage and costing. He can do much more with the ERP. Also, he does not have to sit and do production or purchase planning every day as software does it all for him. Mr. X is reaping the benefits from both the sides. He has reduced the cost and inventory, and finally he has time to focus in new developments and marketing. Mr. X's business is flourishing. Thus, iCast is not just another ERP solution but the ERP solution for foundries. iCast is easy to use and customizable solution. Most importantly, it is exclusively developed for foundry industry by foundrymen themselves. If you would like to share the fate of Mr. X and want smooth operations for your foundry, go for iCast. For more information, please visit our website www.ellipsisinfotech.com or contact us on info@ellipsisinfotech.com.